EDGE Zombie MIG Nozzle was the first of the EDGE series. EDGE now offers 6 different series for MIG nozzles and 2 more are coming soon. Every MIG nozzle is handmade in the EDGE shop with high quality quartz glass. Being able to see the world has given great benefits to the welder. No more blind spots in tight spots or in the overhead and vertical positions, and there's no more need for dip. The splatter and slag that sticks to the glass pops right off when the glass slightly cools. This particular nozzle that's used in this video has well over a couple hundred hours on it, even while using a 16th flux core. It has been used for welding columns of a hospital building. These MIG nozzles have a huge benefit to those in the MIG welding industry, and instructors have shared that it has created better teaching guidance.